Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Today we are going to talk about blood sugar lowering foods for diabetics. Particularly for those of you who have diabetes or high blood sugar, a nutritious diet is crucial. Numerous meals and beverages fall under the category of having a low glycemic index (GI) rating. Such foods won't dramatically increase blood sugar. In fact, they may even assist prevent blood sugar increases. These foods should be consumed by diabetics, and avoid those that raise blood sugar levels quickly. Although diabetes cannot be treated, it is possible to try to prevent its complications by keeping blood sugar levels normal. You must be mindful of your everyday diet in addition to properly exercising and taking the prescribed medications. In addition to measuring the portion, consider foods with a low GI. Foods that help diabetics control their blood sugar include the following. 1. Avocado. Avocado is the first food for diabetes. The polyunsaturated fatty acids (PUFA) and monounsaturated fatty acids (MUFA) found in avocados are crucial for maintaining appropriate blood sugar levels. These two components have the ability to make bodily tissues more responsive to insulin. As is common knowledge, people with diabetes have resistance, or are less sensitive to the effects of the hormone insulin. In actuality, the hormone insulin lowers blood sugar by allowing it to enter human cells. Avocados also have a positive effect on blood pressure and can aid in satiety. Eating avocados has been demonstrated in studies to reduce the chance of developing metabolic syndrome. The term metabolic syndrome refers to a cluster of medical conditions that can raise the risk of diabetes and blood vessel conditions like heart disease and stroke. Avocados have a low glycemic index, and it can also be processed into pudding or avocado juice in addition to being consumed directly. To avoid a blood sugar surge, don't add any sugar, though. 2. Several varieties of fish. A fantastic source of protein is fish. This animal protein is a strong source of omega-3 fatty acids in addition to having minimal amounts of harmful fats. The body uses protein to maintain and repair itself. Additionally, because protein does not influence blood sugar levels and can improve satiety, it can aid with weight control. Blood sugar levels can be better managed as a result. Salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel are a few fish varieties that can be a source of nutrients that lower blood sugar. Additionally, you may prepare it in a variety of ways, such as by grilling it or making a nutritious warm soup. 3. Onion. Blood sugar levels can also be controlled using garlic. Eating garlic can lower your fasting blood glucose, which is your blood sugar level after 8 hours without food. Garlic lowers blood sugar levels, as shown by research. Garlic also doesn't contain any carbohydrates and won't raise blood sugar levels. 4. Sour cherries. Some fruits can raise blood sugar levels, while others have a lower glycemic index. Sour cherry is one of them. Anthocyanins are a class of compounds found in sour cherries. Experimental data from studies suggests that anthocyanins may help prevent diabetes and obesity. 5. Apple cider vinegar. A food that can reduce blood sugar is apple cider vinegar. This is due to the fact that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar might decrease several digestive enzymes. According to one study, the body's sensitivity to insulin after eating can be increased by using apple cider vinegar. Before you consume, combine 20 grams of apple cider vinegar with 40 grams of water to receive these benefits from the vinegar. 6. Vegetables. Leafy greens are rich in fiber and vitamins and magnesium. Blood sugar levels may be lowered by these foods. Green veggies including spinach, lettuce, green radish, cabbage, and broccoli are healthy for diabetes. Basically, the glycemic index of all green vegetables is low. Spinach, for example, has a glycemic index of less than 1 per cup. 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3, calcium, antioxidants, fiber, and good fats. According to studies, consuming chia seeds regularly helps reduce triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. It appears that chia seeds can be utilized as an alternative to blood sugar lowering meal menus due to its beneficial effects, particularly for those of you who have high blood sugar. 8. Chocolate. Perhaps not many people believe that chocolate is a healthy food for diabetics. Perhaps your opinion of this well-liked meal can be altered if you are aware of the true ingredients in cocoa beans, which are the main component of chocolate. The main component used to make chocolate goods is cocoa beans. It is popularly known as black chocolate, but it tastes harsh since it lacks sweeteners before being converted into sweet and delectable chocolate for eating. Antioxidants are abundant in cocoa beans. Additionally, it includes a flavanol called epicachin, which helps control blood sugar levels even in those with diabetes. Dark chocolate contains up to 70% more cocoa than milk chocolate, so if you're used to eating milk chocolate, try switching to it. 9. Berries. Compared to other fruits, blackberries and blueberries won't cause as much of a spike in blood sugar. This is due to the high anthocyanin content and high fiber content of these berries, which can inhibit some digestive enzymes and thus slow down the digestive process. Furthermore, the bioactive components of blueberries can improve the body's sensitivity to the insulin hormone. 10. Almonds and other nuts. The rise in blood sugar that occurs after meals can be controlled and decreased by almonds. According to one study, those who ate 57 grams of almonds every day had reduced fasting insulin and glucose levels. Consuming almonds can enhance insulin sensitivity in adults with prediabetes, according to a different study. Almonds have a glycemic index score of 0, according to estimates. The GI range for most nuts is between 0 and 20. The cashew is the nut with the highest GI value, 22. In comparison to eating prepared snacks, picking nuts like pistachios, walnuts, and hazelnuts is a far better option. 11. Eggs. A lot of people believe that eggs are one of the foods with a high cholesterol content. However, it turns out that eating eggs is safe for those who have prediabetes and can even be a meal for diabetics. Eggs have a glycemic index rating of 0, just like all other forms of pure protein. Eggs can also make you feel full faster and curb your appetite. However, it's best to consume eggs in moderation and not in excess. 12. Coffee. A study has found that increasing daily coffee consumption, with or without caffeine, by 1 cup can more than 10% reduce the incidence of type 2 diabetes. However, keep in mind not to overdo it with the sugar, creamer, or milk in your coffee. You can choose the blood sugar lowering food of your preference from the numerous categories listed above. However, always be mindful of your intake and avoid going over the top. Thanks for watching Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.